Good job, Sammy. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Do you have rice cereal all over you? Actually, it's cream of wheat, huh? Oh, good job. Good job. You got that all by yourself. Yeah. I did a good job, Mama. I didn't get very much in my mouth, but I did it by myself. Good job, Sammy. Yay. You're figuring out your spoon, huh? That's not your spoon. Those are your hands. You're just having fun, aren't you? Yes, you are. Now do that with your spoon. And the spoon is on the ground. No, don't throw the bowl on the ground.